Hello everyone! Today in this video we will see how you can offer quote negotiation option to your customers using ELEX Requestaquote plugin. So without further delay, let's go to our testing site and understand the process. Once you install the ELEX Requestaquote plugin, go to the settings page. Then go to Customize Quote List and Form and select Additional Option. Under Additional Option, make sure you have enabled the option for allowing customers to send counter proposal. Let's see an example to understand how the negotiation works. If you have successfully configured your ELEX Requestaquote plugin, then your customers can see the Add to Quote option on the shop page. You can also refer to the setup guide of the plugin by following the link provided in the description. As soon as your customer added the product to the quote list, they can refer to the quote list to provide the requested price, as shown on your screen. Once your customer add the details and send the quote, then we will get a new order in our WooCommerce site. As you can see, we have received one order for quote request. Here the product price is $100 and preferred price is $80. If the price is acceptable to the admin, then they can directly click on Approve Quote. Or you can click on the Edit Quote button to enter the acceptable price. Then save the price and click on Send Negotiation. This will also change the order status to Under Negotiation. Similarly, for your customer, the order status will be changed to quote Under Negotiation. Your customers can view the order, and if required, they can send counter offer as shown on your screen. For the same order, the admin can see the updated revised price, and if the price acceptable to the admin, then they need to change the total amount of the order and change the order status to quote Approved. You can manually change the order status, or you can simply click on Quote Approved button. On the front end, your customer can see the order status as approved. When they view the order, there will be no option for counter proposal. The counter proposal option will only be available to the customer if the order status is quote Under Negotiation. As this order is already approved, your customer can either reject the quote or they can accept and pay the agreed amount. Once they click on the Accept and Pay option, they will be redirected to the payment page to complete the order. Hope you have understood the process of providing the negotiation option to your customers. If you have any further questions, then connect with our support team by following the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.